Hi, my name is Marnie Dunning and I'm part of Instructional Services here at Gustavus. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and get started using Hoonuit, which is formerly Atomic Learning, here at Gustavus. We have just purchased this in the fall of 2017 for all faculty, staff, and students to use. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of getting started. So what you want to do is you want to open up a browser and you want to navigate to gustavus.edu/Hoonuit, and it's Hoonuit. Again, it's gustavus.edu/Hoonuit, and press return. Now, because we utilize single sign-on, if you're not already signed into any of our systems here on campus, you'll have to sign in using your username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Once I'm signed in, it'll take me right to Hoonuit, and I will see that I'm signed in because I will see my name in the upper right-hand corner. That's me, Gustavus. Okay. If I click on my name, you'll notice that I have different options within there. Keep in mind, I don't want to change anything within my profile, maybe other than my picture. Because I use single sign-on, I could lose access to the system. I will talk more about the features up here in just a moment. So let me walk you through the different menus to Hoonuit. So the very first tab here is Discover. Now, anything that's here that's light gray is currently not displayed. So if I'd like to see more on software and technology, I just simply click it and the screen will refresh and it will show me the main courses, or basically the hot topics within software and technology. And it's much like a Netflix screen that you can kind of navigate through and see the different courses that are available for you to take. So this is the Discover tab, and any of these you can click on, click off. They will refresh and show you on your screen. The Search tab is one of my favorites. If I'm looking for something specific, I can just type it in within here. So I'll type in Excel 2016. So those are the different courses with Excel 2016. I'll type in Smartboard. So all the different courses on Smartboards. I'll go ahead and type in Notes. And here I can see different courses, maybe some technology, maybe some more theoretical. So for example, if I click on Cornell Notes, it will take me to the course. And this particular course was actually created by Hoonuit. So it's a learn it, do it, share it, prove it type course. Some of the other courses were created by Atomic Learning, and I'll show you that in just a minute. They're laid out just a little bit different. But within any of these courses, you will see your different modules: getting started, taking notes, templates, download resources. When you want to watch something, you just simply click on it. And I can turn on closed captioning.
In this series, you'll learn the Cornell note-taking.
I can pause this at any time. I can also fast forward to any other lesson within here if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and go back a couple screens, and I'm going to take you back to my search for notes again. This time I'm going to go into the Evernote training. And when I click on Evernote, you notice this one's a little bit different. This one is made by Atomic Learning. The two companies have merged, so that's why some of the courses look a little bit different. But this particular course has an overview here, and then it has, again, the different modules: getting started in Evernote, all the different tutorials. Creating notes in Evernote, adding media. I just simply click on these to display all the different tutorials beneath it. Again, if I want to click on something, it'll start and launch the tutorial.
Evernote is a suite of software and services designed for
And again, I can turn on or off my closed captioning. I can pause at any point. I can fast forward at any point. Now, what's kind of nice about the Atomic Learning courses, if I want to come back and assign this to myself, I can by clicking on Assign to Myself. I can give it a name and a date, and I click on Next and then Submit, and it will actually be within there. So I will type in Evernote, and I give myself a due date of sometime in the future, and I'm just going to choose the first tutorial there. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. At this step, it'll tell me a kind of a summary of the assignment, and I just go ahead and click on Submit Assignment. Now you will see that this says Assigned. It's assigned to you. Easy Links is a way of taking certain tutorials and putting them on a web page. Maybe you want to put them on your web page. Maybe you want to share them with friends, things like that. Now, when I come back to the main page for Hoonuit and I click on the My Training tab, Under assigned training, I will see that assigned training that I just assigned to myself. So I will see anything that I assigned to myself or maybe that others assigned to me. I can real easily access the course right here by clicking on the link there, or I can delete this assignment and click on yes to delete the assignment from my list. The favorites tab. Now this is when you're inside of a course. I'll go back into note taking and I will go into using Evernote. And just to the right of each tutorial, there is a yellow star. If you click on those yellow stars, that sets it as a favorite. So when you come back to the Hoonuit homepage and you click on favorites, you will see the favorite tutorials are listed there. Again, you can delete them here or you can access them right here by clicking on the link. Spotlights. These are spotlight training titles from Hoonuit, so you can look through these at any time if you want to. And the last tab here is Gustavus Custom Training. Now currently we don't have anything in here, but we're going to have stuff on Gusmail, we're going to have stuff on Starfish, and any other custom applications that we use here at Gustavus that we'd like you to take training for. The last menu I'd like to show you is the hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. When you click on the hamburger menu, you have more options up here. Home will take you back to the Hoonuit homepage. Under Tools, you can see getting started. A lot of this is getting started with the actual implementation. We've already done that, but you can learn about assessments and learn more about the Gustavus custom training here. You can click on the support tab to, put in a request online, look at the FAQs, give them a call, give them some feedback or suggestions. And then under extras is a way to look at their blogs as to what's new training updates, what's hot, things like that are out there. If you have any questions about using Hoonuit on our campus, please give the GTS helpline a call at 507-933-6111 or at helpline@gustavus.edu. Thanks so much.